Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the date and time. So in order to set up date and time manually, you have to firstly disable use network provided time. So here you can change your date, here you can change your time, here you can change your time zone. Firstly you select your region and then select one of the available time zones. And you can also change time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.